Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. We have the Chevrolet C10 from the Red Line Club here to take a look at today. And this one has adjustable suspension. Now, I know there's probably quite a few of you, if you've been buying these often, have probably already seen the adjustable suspension that the RLC has to offer. But this is brand new to me. I have never had one of the RLC cars with adjustable suspension, so I'm very curious as to how they've done it. I'm assuming it's going to be really simple, just like the suspension on the lowriders, like the Impala, where you just move it around and it's on a joint. But maybe Mattel has something in store. Well, I'm just here trying to get a thumbnail. I'm going to have to re-edit the video now. Because of the box design, I forgot about the writing. Look, I forgot to read it out to you guys, so we'll freeze frame there somewhere. 1967 was the inaugural year for the second generation Chevy C10, with a new ground-up design to better align for multi-purpose use. The 69 received a redesigned hood and grille, to name a few. Our Hot Wheels version comes with an adjustable suspension, allowing you to swap slam stance with street stance with the crank of a dial. There we are. I have to re-edit the whole video now. Fun! Well, here we go. There is the C10. Ooh, that looks nice. So this one is pretty cool, rocking the blue and the white stripe. Very nice. Love that Spectre Flame blue. This is in one of the more regular, I don't know what you'd call this. It's like the cardboard box with the car inserted with plastic. It's not an acrylic case. That's it. It's not the acrylic case. It's a cardboard box. But nothing wrong with that. Even easier to get the car out. The only downside is you then can't display the car in the box. If this was in an acrylic case, you could do, well, then again, if you have the suspension adjusted at full height, it might not be able to screw back on. So maybe that is the reason they've put it in there. But there we are. There is the C10. What a beautiful thing it is. You've got those awesome looking 5 spokes. Chevrolet logo on the front. Just raise that camera up a bit. There we go, that's a bit better. C10 logo on the side, side markers, door handles done in as well. There's the back, Chevrolet logo there, blew up, written on the license plate. And yeah, it's got a cover on the back there, covering the bed of the truck. This is very much a fingerprint magnet, I've just noticed. Very, very much a fingerprint magnet. And the bit we're all curious about, the base. Ooh. Okay, this is a little bit more technical. I just thought it was literally going to have just some like hinged pieces that you just pull out. No, it's got a switch. Like a turn switch. Oh my, oh wow. And there we are. Full ride height. Oh, that's pretty cool. Huh. I wonder how they've done that. That's pretty interesting. And it clicks back in. Okay, so it's either high or low. There's no like middle point, and you can't make it look like, you know, high at the back and low at the front. But that's quite good actually, because that means if you put it on full ride height, you can move it around and actually push on it and it won't. Okay, it does give a little bit. I don't want to go too mad. I'm not going to be doing a testing video on this. I suppose if you push too hard, it'll, yeah, it's starting to click back the other way. But look, it moves like the whole, it actually moves the wheels out as well. Whoa. That's really quite clever. That's good, because that means you could actually just, you know, put it down and it won't actually drop if you push on it. That's quite cool. Huh. That's really quite cool. Yeah, Mattel surprised me a bit there. I thought it was just going to be really, really simple. But it's actually got a bit more of a technical mechanism to it. That's really cool. Also got the rubber tyres as well. with the tread details. But yeah, all in all, that's just a nice looking truck, and I'm pretty impressed with that. I like that. That's really, really nice actually. A very nice casting. Got the chrome around the window there, I didn't notice that before. Yeah, details are nice, and the suspension is just such a cool little bonus. I love that. I love the little switch. I'm going to play with that till it breaks, aren't I? It's going to happen. Oh, that's really cool. That's neat. I like that. Well, there we have it. What an awesome car. That's really nice. The C10 is a very cool looking truck. The Spectraflame Blue is just, oh, it stands out so cool on that. And the adjustable ride height is just such a cool little feature. And yeah, the mechanism, I don't know how it works. It's completely blown me away. That's really cool. And I really want to take it apart, but I'm going to have to stop myself because there's no way I'll get it back together if I do. Okay, you'd have to actually drill this one, it's not got screws, okay. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this truck in the comments, and did you pick one up for your own collection? I appreciate you all for watching and sticking around. Be sure to drop in the comments, but for now, I'll hope to see you again in the next video.